Hello friends, welcome to Cyber Today I'll show you how to configure the NAT on pfsense. So first, before we configure the NAT, I think I'll show you the scenarios like where you need a NAT. So if you have anything like this in your OT network or IT network, you want to translate IP address to a different IP address, so this is the video for you. So before, example, if you're an OT engineer, usually mostly my experience, I have seen a lot of duplicate IPs. Example, you have maybe one area, maybe you have a network switch, let's say SW1 connected to PLC, and another switch is SW scenario like this, where you have two switches but they have a same duplicate IPs, so where you cannot talk to each other, so the isolated. Then suddenly you want some digital factory solution, they want each other to talk. So most of the case you may need to do a reprogramming of IP. Maybe you need to come around the vendor, all these issues. So sometimes your vendors are not locally available to support, maybe they need to come from overseas. So in this scenario, maybe you can buy one of these device, so each area you need to have one at least to translate, because one one pfSense, because in one pfSense can have only one IP range. So let's say you have one pfSense, it has two port, or you can have only one port, you can have this 10 dot range IP, not two. So what you can do is, so if you have two pfSense, two ports, minimum is two ports. So this one with a WAN, WAN usually is LAN. So this one 10.1.10.1. whatever IP address you want to put, you can put and this one also you can put maybe 192.168, whatever, it doesn't matter. Sorry. So these are the way you can configure. So let me show a little bit further. So that's how we can just put two pfSense, one pf connected here, LAN, and then maybe you can connect the WAN here also. WAN maybe different IP, maybe 192.168.10.1 maybe. Then one more pfSense, because usually pfSense has small one, has a two port. Maybe the WAN connect here, local also connect here. Then you just connect one network cable. Then you can do a NAT configuration here. Now I'll show you how to do the NAT configuration. Okay, so to do the NAT configuration, so you can see I have WAN and LAN 2. So I think currently the system is, so currently my system is connected to 102. So this is the this one I need to change to a different IP address. So I just take note of this, copy, and notepad, this is my local, and I want to go to, so this is my WAN IP, right? So maybe I need to change to WAN IP. I'm gonna change to NAT IP. I will configure this one also 102. So this one is a NAT IP, right? So to do this, in a pfSense, what you had to do is you need to go to first you need to go to the NAT, then you go 101.1 NAT, then add, then you need to say leave this one WAN, so you need to put your WAN IP, which is 102, then your local IP, this one, then you can put a description. You can say for me Kali NAT. You can put whatever you want to put, save, apply, then go to IP virtual add, then alias, keep it as a WAN, then the IP address of the WAN, which is we configured is this one. So this is the one for WAN address you need to put. This one lazy dev 32, description again Kali NAT, that's it, done, apply. Okay, now I need to do is go to diagnostic op table, so I should be able to see this one. So what I can do is, if I open my CMD, usually I think I can ping 192.168.90.102. Sorry, it should be ping. Okay, it's cannot ping. Maybe it could have a routing issue, but let me check if I can ping the 138. Also cannot. I know why, because the firewall maybe need to have a rule. So WAN, that there's nothing here, so just put WAN any log, save, apply. Should be able to, yeah, it's able to ping. So it's cannot ping, but 138 is replying. Okay, that's fine. I think there is something. Oh, this one. So we have block any, so I'll just open up this one also, bus any log, save any, I think all the way on the top. Okay, let me try this time around. Why it's not working? But I think I can see the logs. I think let's see the logs. Maybe in the logs we can find out what's happening. Yeah, anyways, the good news is it's going, the traffic is going. So what you're seeing here is that my IP address is trying to talk to this one, so translated already. So some reason it's not replying, because maybe the firewall, whatever it is there. So this is the basic thing. So I hope it is informative, and if you have any more questions, please help to put in the comments. I'm happy to help you with the answers, and thank you for your time. See you guys with another video.